Staring into me like you wanted something, but it never came. So you played a brand new game. It was far too soon, not even a glimpse of the moon. But it didn't matter to you, 'cause then you started to move your body in the strangest ways. Are you liking? How much can you shake? You're high up on the Richter, about a 7.8. Liking? How much can you shake? If you don't stop that boogie motion, there will be total destruction. Whoa, yeah. The stillness in the air left me with a notion, but you made it clear by the way that you move nearer, like a drum roll sound. I could feel your force move the ground. Then the whole place began to rock. I felt the aftershock move my body. What more could I say? But all you're liking. How much can you shake? You're high up on the Richter, about a 7.8. Liking? How much can you shake? If you don't stop that boogie motion, there will be total destruction. I can feel your quake.